TaxAct tax software review usage experience. TaxAct is a tax preparation software designed to assist individuals, self-employed professionals, and small businesses in accurately and efficiently filing their tax return. Established in 1998, it has become a reputable choice for those seeking affordable and user-friendly tax solution. And here are the key factors about this platform, which is a key features, which is user-friendly interface with comprehensive coverage and import capabilities with accuracy guarantee. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, the affordability, TaxAct pricing is generally lower than competitors like TurboTax and H&R Block, making it a cost-effective option for many users. And also flexibility with a professional assistant. And here's the downside about this platform, which is the state filing fee. While federal filing may be affordable, state return can incur high fee compared to some competitors, and the upselling with a limited free version. And here the overall conclusion about this platform. TaxAct stands out as a cost-effective and a comprehensive tax preparation software suitable for a variety of tax situations. Its user-friendly interface designed for professionals support make it a visible option for individual and small business alike. Potential users should be mindful of state filing fee and the possibilities of encountering upselling prompts during the filing process.